Criminals could be planning to hurt your relative. A warning to motorists from the police this evening. Drivers are urged to stop flashing their lights at other motorists when police are conducting spot checks and other operations. Experts have also raised concern about a mobile app that could put lawmen and other users in harm's way. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Flashing lights like this, and this are common codes among motorists to warn other drivers that police are in the vicinity. Taxi operators use it to help each other.
Flash no light, nothing can be flash no light. Kind of time no man on a service on them phone and them thing there. Nothing be flash no light, my friend.
Flash it.
Help me out. Yeah, it helped me out.
Yeah, it help out, son. Sometimes someone running lights. Police down the road and a man and speed, a man flash, you know, so you can heal, you see me? So you don't have to get a ticket.
Other motorists aware of the practice simply flash lights to save speedsters from themselves.
I have been known to flash people when I see them speeding. Usually when I do this, there's actually no police on the road.
But some public transport operators use more than flashing lights.
Some man use them WhatsApp group, some man have them own a virgin phone number, so them call each other. I will just have to own a local thing.
But there's concern. Criminals are also being alerted. Assistant Commissioner Gary McKenzie is head of public safety and traffic enforcement in the JCF.
A citizen who is law-abiding should allow for the process to take place, meaning that if they pass a checkpoint, allow a potential criminal to get into the checkpoint and be caught, rather than using your flashing lights to alert somebody else who you never know. Might be someone who is making some preparation to harm a member of your family.
Alright, that's enough because we don't support criminal in no type of farm now way, you know. You understand? So me more for flash a taxi man still. You get me I say? More than for flash a white plate. You see me? You know see me a flash a white plate. So if the criminal in a taxi, well, in get way.
It's good and it's bad because criminal, you have a whole heap of criminal out there too, eh? Where if you flash them know say your police don't say them that turn back.
Beyond that, there's a mobile app over 10 years old growing in popularity in Jamaica. We won't name the app here, but it shows users where police are located, like here.
It gives accurate information.
Yeah.
You see me? And help you good with traffic on the road, accident on the road, it tell you. You see me? Enough thing it tell you.
It was strange to me because I was wondering how is it such an application could know that a physical member of the Jamaican Constabulary Force would be down the road without no indication as to how. But anyway, truth to be told, it gave you an indication like how many meters up the road the police were, and there it was, it unfolded. Police were there doing either spot checks or they were doing some form of operation, so it was true to form.
IT security expert Rory Ebanks says the app is community-based. Meaning,
what it does is allows the users or the participants of the app to signal if there's any police, if there's any traffic, if there's any congestion. And what it does, it would then identify the users to say this is the shortest path or this is the best path that should be taken. So it's similar to the other Maps app, but however, this one is community-based, meaning the users or whoever has logged into the app, they can signal that, hey, a police is on this road.
But ACP Gary McKenzie says the app is problematic and laws may be needed to restrict it.
There's a balance. People are free to access information and so on. Where it interferes with national security and so on, then that is something that has to be looked on as well.
In the US, police raised concern that the app could make them become targets and sought to have the app banned. Rory Ebanks says users may also be putting themselves at risk by sharing their location when using the mobile app.
If you are a user of the app and you're sharing your location, but the other users would see your location and they can actually track you. So they would see that, hey, this is where you are. So for example, you may be driving a black car and this is the license plate. They can then start tracing you. They would even see your username in some instances if you're not anonymous. And that in itself is a security concern. Even the type of information that you share on the platform is a major concern.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.